nasty. Oh, that's nasty.
Go on, turn up your axle.
Cool.
I like going like almost last, because then I didn't feel like rush.
You what? And you what?
I like going second to last, because I don't feel rushed. Like whenever Jaden or you were like behind me, it's like, hey, go faster, go faster.
Dude, honestly though, like, I've caught up to your speed, like, almost. So, like, I'm right there with you.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. I can hear you brake. And, like, when I hear that, I'm like, shit, man, I gotta go faster. Joey's catching me.
Hey, that puddle looks like a penis.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry, everyone wanted it.
Joey doesn't see dead people, he sees peni.
I have a sixth sense. French and wood.
Brand new.
Those are thick.
Tan
Yep.
and wood.
These give me blisters.
Yeah,
Thin ones give me
super thin.
blisters.
Yeah, that feels good.
Yeah, I put them on this morning. I really like them.
Yeah.
Plus, I wanted protection on the ends because yours have a plastic cover, but the ones that go rubber all the way to the end, first time you put them down on the ground, it starts chewing that,
Right.
Like this.
and then it just gets,
I know it's ODI.
yeah.
What's the submodel?
Oh, I don't know.
ODI something.
Yeah.
I'll just try to take a
Yeah, I
look at
just
that
looked
pattern.
at that, actually.
Nice and thick.
Oh, no way.
Because the other ones were, I was constantly redoing
Oh yeah.
my fingers because, you know, it was like, ow, that hurts. And then you're trying to do that when you're on like Alpine getting braking bumps. It's like, fuck, this stuff's dangerous enough. I don't need that crap.
Trailer cable right here, like that hangs down.
It's all little stuff you learn over time.
Right.
And
I've
it,
got a
like,
reckoning
pulls.
coming in October, and I heard the grips are ass. So I'm trying to see, you know, what would be a good
Damn, you should get
grip to put
shroud.
on.
And then it happened. Well, it happened at
Alright,
the
are
shed.
you guys ready?
Then this is fine. Everything's fine. Whole room is on fire. Am I going second?
Sure.
Oh my god.
I'll stare at your butt.
I'm okay with that.
Oh, wow. Jeez, they go slow on that. Okay, so Jaden's in front of me, Jake's in front of him, Kyle's in front of him, and Joey's our leader. I thought it was over here. Oh, they went over there? Wouldn't that be a right? Left.
Yeah, they said this one on the video is really slow. It's kind of
I'll hit it.
faster than pipeline, but slower than Covenant. Kind of just
I think there's
get onto the bridge and just no break.
What's that say? Mandatory drop? Better.
It's the Legion to.
It's like one other way.
You're not going
that.
that way. I guess like get onto the bridge and then no break from there.
Honestly, I think yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
just
no break on the bridge, and you'll be golden.
Jaden, stand right underneath the thing for scale.
Yeah, okay.
You don't have to stand there. Go right next to it, like right under, yeah, but there you go. Yeah, that's good, all right.
I might do that actually.
Oh yeah, that would be cool.
Oh hell yeah, that looks far too. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I hit the fucking side.
Oh, yeah.
I don't care.
You doing it again?
We can if you want to tone up.
If you're gonna do it,
No, I'm not doing it.
why not? Alright.
I'll try and do it before the end of the year, but huh?
We won't pressure you to do anything you don't want to do.
This is probably the next step from pipeline though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what about is Covenant between this?
Yes.
Yes.
So Covenant's next then.
No.
No, sorry, Covenant's the last one.
Oh, Covenant's steep.
This is
more technical or whatever than this.
You have more airtime.
Oh.
Like it's like a big drop, but you have more airtime in the air.
Yeah.
This is like in between Covenant and Pipeline, but you have to. I mean, we've been just like kind of popping off of it and
Yeah.
doing it. Tornado Stinky.
Blah. Whoa, 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 shit. Ooh. Yep. So it looks like they're gonna keep taking Tempest down here.
Yeah.
That'll be nice. That rock slab is not good to stop quick on.
Yeah.
Jeez, Jake. Nice.
Oh shit, I didn't know Josiah was going. Josiah can really hit jumps.
Yeah.
So we met him while we were at Mount Penn. But he worked at like a brewing company for a really long time. And he's basically taking the entire summer off to like tour the US.
Oh, wow.
Island in Killington.
Jeez.
Yeah. Did you get me? Yes, I got you. I didn't get you on the first jump, I got you on the second jump.
Did you get me?
Yeah, I got him.
Alright, focus on just me.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. It's your YouTube video.
I'm gonna go down to the bottom because there's a red orange blob coming at us, and I think it's gonna unload a lot more than what we just had. Yep. So I want to be under something other than leaves. So this, I think, is just Mother Nature messing with us.